Let's talk about one of my absolute favorite nourishing foods that's been in our kitchen for years now, kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink loaded with beneficial bacteria and yeast. It helps support gut health, immune function, and even your skin and mood. I started making kefir when I was trying to heal our gut a few years ago and boost everyone's immunity. Now it's just part of our rhythm, and we use it in a lot of different recipes in our kitchen. These chocolate chip cookie dough kefir popsicles are one of our favorites, and we have been making this recipe on repeat all summer long. I'm so excited to share this with you guys today. The cookie dough I use in these popsicles is my EINKORN chocolate chip cookie dough recipe that I also use for our favorite chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. It's just a super simple recipe that has less gluten and is less inflammatory and absolutely delicious. If you're searching for some summer snacks for your kiddos that are low in sugar and delicious, but also healthy and will boost their gut and improve their immunity, then this is an amazing recipe for you to try. Like always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this recipe so that I can continue to make recipe videos like this to share on YouTube. Thank you so much, and see you next time.